the bag, then I go get it. I secure the bag, then I go get it.
I'm back here with another Saab video. The 2003 Saab 9.3. This is a video of the vacuum pump replacement. Show you guys where the vacuum pump sits at actually. The vacuum pump sits right here. You can see my fingers pointing at engine's hot right now. It's right there. Right there. So now to get to this vacuum pump, you want to undo this 10mm bolt. This one here and here on the opposite side, right there. Then you want to pop this clip out, remove it, take it out. Also too, I think they're 13mm bolts, if I remember it right. They're here. There's one underneath on the bottom side there. And you want to also remove this vacuum connector here and pull that out as well. And it's pretty self-explanatory and it's pretty simple. Now the only thing I wanted to say about this vacuum pump is it leaks from the unit itself. I had to replace the actual whole unit. I'll actually put a link in the description for the part. It wasn't too bad on the price. You can order it from eBay or everywhere else too, but Amazon was the best choice I actually went through. So I'll put the link in the description for you guys. But also too, the seal itself leaks from the very bottom, and that's where maybe you'll have a common oil leak from. I was just making this quick video just to show you guys the vacuum pump. I'll show you my vacuum pump from the inside of the house, maybe if I want to feel like that though. You know, I don't know if I want to do all that, but just another little side video. But yeah, it's a vacuum pump DIY. And it took me about 30 minutes to do. You want to clean the gasket up real good, and then there's also a little oil valve inside of there that actually drips as you take it out from the block itself. But you can just put something in there and then just spray it all down. Now I did not use torque specs, I just tightened them down evenly first, and you have to put everything back the exact same way it came off, or else you would just run into some snags if you try to half-ass anything or just shortcut anything. Yeah, that's the vacuum pump video. Short, simple. If you got any questions, leave questions in the comments. Peace out. This is my beats here. Any questions, just let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.